back to the channel, guys. Today, as usual, we'll be hunting for good food here. We are in Malaysia right now, KL, Kuala Lumpur. Let's start the video first with this soft shell crab on the carbonara. This entire crab is deeply fried and you can literally eat everything, all parts of it. The legs, the claws, the body, and this salted egg yolk is a very strong base. It's very creamy. Let's combine this together and you will have a very awesome bite. Don't forget the entire body of the crab. This is probably the best part to eat. The entire agenda of the video is premium, so we will be looking for more premium food. Be sure to watch till the end as we will keep eating. Next up is some grilled chicken with prawns. I'm going to remove them up from the skillet and let's try out. It's very soft. But the best part is to combine everything together with my spaghetti. So let's do it and let's move on to the next meal. Alright, we're at our second meal and it's a Michelin standard restaurant. It's called Enshi Ramen. The thing about Japanese is they love to make their shop simple, but their flavor is definitely advanced. Look at all these different types of vinegar here. Each bottle have unique ingredients inside. The first one is a dried saltfish, then the second is some apples, and the last one is some lemon. Ramen is here, and I'll be having this entire bowl of grilled duck based char siu ramen. Look at how good it is. They have a huge char siu too. It's fatty, going on with the noodles. It's a great bite, but it's not just the ramen that is awesome. Their small bites are great too. Look at this mega size fried chicken. In Japanese, it's called karage. It's really spicy too. And finally, we'll be ending with some small wonton with some vinegar, of course. And let's move on to the next meal. For the final food, we are at Rasanya. It's a premium Malay-based hot pot paradise. Its design is classy, but let's not forget its topping. There's lots of choice here. There's also lots of other sides ingredients to cook with the hot pot. But first, let's wait for our soup base. So we've got a triple soup base. It has a signature laksa broth, there's a refreshing tomato base, and a truffle base. I'm actually here for the laksa base like this, and look at how awesome it is. It's spicy and creamy. Everything can be put inside to be cooked. We have got all this ultra paper thin mutton. We're gonna dump lots of it inside, and it will be spicy and creamy. Next up is this entire platter of premium seafoods, and off you go into the pot. I'm gonna add some into the truffle based soup and the tomato ones. Then we have got these little balls that's made from different paste. There's fish base, there's squid base. Why I love hot pot so much is because different soup base, different broth can cook up different tastes of the ingredients. Of course, there's also toppings. Different toppings can get different tastes too, so you are constantly customizing food can taste different for every bite. Time to dip in this spinach based ramen and let's get ready to cook everything. Right, so our seafood is being cooked well. As you can see, it's a spicy base using laksa. Every seafood here is tasty. Definitely don't forget your greens. This whole plate of vegetables is going to throw into the soup. Just infuse them with the flavors. Right, so check out how I'm going to eat my noodles. I'm going to put all these truffles onto it. I'm going to mix it up and top it out. Of course, don't forget the laksa soup base. This is what I'm here for anyway, right? Mix it up with the noodles, and this is a spicy buff. Let's finish up all this remaining food that are cooked in the soup, and let's move on to the final scene. I want to show you guys this classy rooftop sky bar. Look at the view. The Twin Tower is right in our face. Absolutely stunning view. It's a perfect spot to chill, to grab some cold drinks, some alcohol, and we can reflect back on all the good food that we had today. Which food do you think is the best we had today? Is it the soft shell crab carbonara, Michelin standard ramen, or the premium Malay hot pot? Comment and let us know your thoughts. The KL food journey will continue. Be sure to subscribe for more content.